Did you know that in samurai culture, honor was literally worth more than life itself? In the year 1180, an aging warrior named Minamoto no Yorimasa faced the ultimate test of his code. Defeated in battle against the Taira clan, he knew capture meant disgrace worse than death, so he chose seppuku, ritual suicide, to restore his honor. The ceremony was precise and terrifying. He dressed in pure white robes, the color of death. A trusted friend stood behind him, katana ready to end his suffering with one swift stroke. Yorimasa knelt before a short blade called wakizashi, knowing he must cut open his own belly. The psychological torment was unbearable, yet he couldn't hesitate. With trembling hands, he drove the blade deep across his abdomen. As agony consumed him, his second sword fell, ending his pain instantly. This brutal ritual shaped Japanese military culture for 7 centuries, until 1868, when the practice was finally banned. But the samurai code of honor through death had already defined a nation.